Ang video na ito ay tatalakayin natin ng buhay ni Rizal at ang kanyang ginagawa. At ako, si Mark Fernandez de la Cruz. Sa short video na ito ay babanggitin ko dito ang buhay ni Rizal at ang mga sumikat na works na ginawa niya nung siya ay nabubuhay pa. Si Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonzo Realonda o mas kilala bilang Jose Rizal ay ipinanganak noong June 19, 1861 sa Calamba, Laguna. Ang pangalan ng kanyang ina ay si Teodora Alonzo Realonda, a woman of more than ordinary culture. Jose Rizal, born in Manila, November 8, 1826, educated at Colegio de Santa Rosa, has refined culture, literary talent, business ability, and fortitude, died in Manila on August 16, 1911. At ang kanyang ama ay si Francisco Mercado Rizal, a model of Father Jose Rizal, born in Binan, Laguna, on May 11, 1818. Latin and Philosophy, Colegio de San Juan, Manila. Tenant farmer of Dominican-owned hacienda in Calamba. Hardy, independent-minded, strong in body, valiant in spirit. Died in Manila, January 5, 1898. Jose Rizal is one of the most revered figures in the Philippines history. He was a multifaceted intellectual and political activist, best known for his political writings that inspired the Philippines Revolution and ultimately led to his execution by the Spanish colonizers. Jose Rizal grew up in a wealthy family and was a child prodigy. He learned the alphabet by age of 3. He could both read and write by the age of 5. He graduated from the Ateneo Municipal de Manila at age 16 and enrolled as medical student at the University of Santo Tomas in 1878. Noli me tangere, for the Latin word touch me not. In this modern classic Filipino literature, Jose Rizal exposes matter so decided that they cannot be touched by anybody. Ginawa ni Rizal ang librong ito noong 1887. Sinimulan ni Rizal ang nobela sa Madrid, Espanya. Kalahati nito ay natapos bago siya umalis ng Paris at natapos ito sa Berlin, Alemanya. The main point of this novel, Jose Rizal's Noli me tangere, was all about the description of the Spanish colonization here in the Philippines and how the Spanish treated Filipino badly. It followed the story of Crisostomo Ibarra, who came from Europe to study and return in the Philippines after his 7 years of journey. Ang librong El Filibusterismo ay sinimulang sulatin ni Rizal noong Oktubre taong 1887 habang nagpa-practice ng medisina sa Calamba sa Londres noong 1888. Gumawa siya ng maraming pagbabago sa banghay at pinagbuti niya ng ilang mga kabanata. El Filibusterismo addresses topics of great importance to the movement, namely clerical abuses, racism against the Philippines people, and the need for political reform. The novel resulted in Rizal's exile to Hong Kong, and later his execution by firing squad in 1896 at age of 35. The message of the novel is clear. The present system of governing the Philippines through corrupt and self-seeking officials, dominated by the friars and being submissive to their interests is one most fashion and another can only lead to disasters for Spain.